to find notifications on MyFitnessPal app, firstly open the app, click on the dashboard. In this way, dashboard will appear here. Before going to your notification symbol, firstly just make sure watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. At the right top corner, click on the bell icon. In this way, you can see here different types of notifications. In this way, you have to find your notifications on MyFitnessPal app. Thank you so much. That was all. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.